Have you been looking for a way to make money online with your mobile phone? Then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to share with you an app that can pay you ranging from $17 to $19 every single hour. As you can see on your dashboard, these are result of payment that people are getting from these applications, which I'm about to share with you in this video. And the good thing is, this application is easily carried out on mobile phone. That is to say, if you are using mobile phone, this application is basically for you. The question that might pop up in your mind, what is the applications is all about? This application is a network that will help you grow your social presence. That is, it helps you to grow your social media. If you have Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, it helps you to grow your social media fast. I'm not saying you should become a TikTok or a YouTuber to make money on this website. In fact, I'm going to show you 3 ways you can make money on this website. The first way, you're going to be making ranging from $2 to $3 every hours. The second way is going to make you ranging from $100 to $300 every month, and the third one will make you $600 to $1,000 every month, depending on the one you feel like to go. All you have to do is to stick with me to the end of this video. I'm going to review to you how everything works. The first way to make money on this website is by taking simple tasks, by liking videos or commenting or subscribing to the channel or following on Instagram or doing all short work you normally do that without getting paid. This is what you are coming here to do, and you're going to be getting paid in points in this website. This is how the website works. For instance, if you are a YouTuber or an influencer, you need a follower or you need a like, you come to this website and post your work and ask this website, okay, you need a follower. This website will take the work from your hand and post on their website. Once they put it on their own website, you are coming to make money. This is the work you are coming to do. You are coming to take the task, and once you take the task, this website is going to pay you from the money which the advertiser pay them. Hope you understand this logic. And once you have accumulated some money or some points, you are going to be using this point to make more money. So the first thing you have to do to work on this website, in the description of this video you are watching right now, I'm going to drop in the link for you. And as you click on the link, this is what you're likely going to see. All you have to do is to enter your email, enter a password, confirm the password, then you click I'm not a robot, then you click on register. Immediately you register, I'm going to be sending a link to the email which you use to register. And once you confirm the email, you're going to come back and log in. And once you log in, it's going to take you to a dashboard on where you're going to be seeing everything. This is how the interface of the website or the applications is going to look like. And all you have to do is for you to click on task. And once you click on task, when you scroll down, you see a tons of tasks to take by following your Instagram, taking TikTok advertisement, liking Facebook page. As you can see, this one they say I should like something, and I'm having 12 points here. All right, you will get paid 4 points for like and follow. So you're going to click on like this. Facebook is going to open for you. All you have to do is to like and follow. This is like, and this is all right. You can see it. I've just liked this video and I've followed already. All I have to do is to come back and I'll click on confirm, and instantly you're going to see your points here. It will just boom, it will come on. You can see it, the point has changed. This is how you keep accumulating points. If you click on task and you scroll down, you see tons of tasks. Now that you can accumulate points, how do you make more money from this website? All right guys, if you like what you are seeing so far, give this video a thumbs up. Just like this video down so that YouTube can recommend to another person. By doing that, you are helping someone. All right, so what you're going to be doing now, after you know that you can be accumulating some points here, what can you do with this point? This is the first way you can making this money. The first way is by you taking all these simple tasks and be accumulating points. And once you have accumulated the point, you can use the point to do other things, or you can withdraw your points. Though the value of the point is not going to be heavier, or it's not going to be much for your hand to do that. So what you're going to be doing, you're going to use this point to make more money for yourself. How will you do that? That will take you to fiverr.com. all right. So once you come to Fiverr, in the description of this video you're watching again, I'll drop a link of Fiverr for you. If you don't have Fiverr yet, you have to create an account of Fiverr, all right? So once you have created your account of Fiverr, you're going to log in. Once you log in, and you're going to search for visual assistants. What visual assistants does that, they help you to take any kind of task you give them online, and you pay them for their services. For instance, now once you come to this dashboard, you can see that all of them are putting their price $10, $10, $10. This person is serving you as your assistant, visual assistant, for $20. Now what you are coming to do here now, you are going to change your budget to lower, which is the maximum you want to pay is $5. You're going to use something like $5. Since $10 is much, then you click on apply. Those that are their price are lower, you can see this one is charging for $5 as visual assistance. This one is charging for $5 as visual assistance. So you're going to contact any of these people. So once you have contacted any of these people, you're going to be asking them to help you take the task. Now in their basic, they are going to be collecting $5 from you. In their standard, they are going to be collecting 20. Then premium, they are going to be collecting $40. Now you can go for just basic, or you can go for basic 2 times, and that will pay you very well. Now you are going to be asking this person, okay, I want you to help me like videos, help me comment, help me do other stuff. So once you have agreed the price with the person, you are going to give this person this application details. This person is going to come here and help you do all the work. You're going to bargain with him, okay, I need like 10,000 points here. The person will come here and take all the tasks, and you're going to pay him or her the $5 which you people agree on. As far as you have seen your points here, you're going to pay him. And after you have paid him or her, what you have to do next, you are going to use this same point which you just generated to make more money for yourself. And how do you do that? You're going to come back to your Fiverr again. Since you have created your Fiverr account, now you're going to search for something like Instagram followers or TikTok followers or YouTube followers. What it does on that website is following, subscribing, liking. Now if you come down, you can see that this person said, I will promote your Instagram account organically and grow your followers fast. Now this person is charging $95 to do the work for you. Now if you open this person on, to charge you basic is going to collect 95, standard is collecting 155, premium is charging $365. This point you accumulate on this website, which is about 5,000 or 10,000 points, you are going to be using this same point to ask this website, okay, you want to become an advertiser now, you want to give this website to help you generate followers or subscribers depending on the gig you create on Fiverr. Now what you have to do on Fiverr, after you have created an account, you are going to be setting up a gig. What we call a gig is dropping your detail, what you do. For instance, this what you are seeing presently here now is a gig. This person have dropped his detail, what he can do and what he can render, the service he can render, how you can render it, and how much he's charging. So this is a gig. You are coming here to create your own gig. Like this person creating a thumbnail is as simple as that. If you don't know how to create a thumbnail, just go to FACELESS and just search for YouTube on how to create a thumbnail, and there you are going to watch the video within 10 minutes using a FACELESS. They are going to show you how you can create. You can create something like this, all right? Once you have created something like this kind of banner, you can come here and drop all you can do, which is write something like, I will promote your Instagram account organically and grow your follower fast. You know that you can promote organically because these people that are coming to subscribe or follow are real people. Because even you, when you did the work, are you not a real human being? You are a real human being that is doing this work. That is organically. So you're going to type something. You are going to type something like, I will grow your Instagram account organically and grow your follower fast. Then you are charging this social amount. You're going to input the amount you want to charge. Then you're going to input your banner. Don't look at the pictures you're seeing here. You can use any pictures, any white pictures you see at all. Most of these people you are seeing here, they are black person that post all this gig, but the pictures they are using is just to get a contact. All right, hope you are understanding what I'm trying to explain here. So after you have created your gig, now people are coming here to contact you. Okay, I need followers on my TikTok. Depend on the gig you create. You can create a gig on TikTok. Depend on the one they contact you for. If for instance, if they contact you, okay, I need a followers on my Instagram. Okay, all you have to do is, okay, you can see the price, I tag everything. My basic is this amount, my premium is this amount. The person is going to pay you, and once the person pay you, it's going to give you a link of the Instagram. What you have to do next, you're going to head over back to this website, and once you come to this website, you're going to give this website a task to help you generate organic followers. And within, as you just paste, you're going to see your own work here, like others that are here. You're going to see something like follow Instagram or like Facebook, just like we went and like Facebook that we just got paid just now. You're going to see something like TikTok followers. You can see it. So you see something like Instagram followers, Instagram like, Instagram followers, point which you generate using $5 is going to do the work for you. All right, if for instance now after you have using 5,000 and the 5,000 have carried out this work for you on Fiverr, you are going to be getting your pay from this person through Fiverr. This person is going to pay your money to Fiverr, and you can withdraw your money from Fiverr to your local bank account. You can get paid through Payoneer, PayPal account. And if you don't have PayPal account, in the description of this video you are watching, I'll drop a link for you on how you can create a PayPal account that works perfectly in Nigeria. All right, so you just watch the video and create your PayPal account so that I can use to receive your money from this Fiverr. All right, hope you are getting this point I'm explaining. So after you have created your gig and you have started giving out your service, that is your skill. You are not doing the work, you are just sitting aside. Give this person to be your visual assistants. This person will do the work for you, and you will come back here and become a gig on Fiverr and sell out this skill which you use someone to do the work for you, and you are getting your money. Hope you are getting this logic. All right, now that you have done this, this is the second way you can use to make money. I told you you can make money in 3 ways from this website. The last way now, which I'm going to explain, that you can make money with this website, that will take a longer time, but though as you keep working on this website, once they start paying you, that is going to be a big value. And see what you're going to be doing. You are going to be creating either Facebook page, Instagram, or YouTube channel. Anyone you feel like to create. You might not show your face. I did a video on how you can create a YouTube channel without showing your face. The video, I'm also going to drop the link for you in the description of this video. All you have to do is to create a YouTube channel. All right, just use AI software, do the video, post on the YouTube channel that you just created. And once you come here, after you have gotten some points here, you're going to post people to follow your channel. You can see this one, you say subscribe to my channel. Now if you subscribe to this person's channel, this is what you are coming here to do. You're going to create your own work here, and once everybody click on it, they are going to subscribe to your channel. As they are subscribing, this your point is it will be going down, and as you are getting your subscriber to a point which you are going to be getting monetized, and once you get monetized, you know what you're going to be getting from it, either YouTube or Facebook or TikTok or Instagram, any of it at all. You're going to be making your cool cash. I think I've explained enough for your understanding. If there's something that you don't understand, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be there to reply you. Before I drop the video, if it's your first time coming across our channel, you know I've not done introduction yet. I'm Gideon, and what I do on this channel, I go out and do research on websites that pay people that I know. The one that pay me, I come back and I share with you. In exchange, just like this video. If you watch to this point, it means you got value from this video. Why don't you help another person to get this value which you just got by liking the video? Subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, so that anytime we drop something like this, you'll be first to notify, first to take actions, and first to cash out from what I share with you. And lastly, drop a comment. Whatever I have to say in the comment section, just drop a comment. If you watch to this point, the last word we normally drop a last word in the comment section. This is the last word of today. Amazing. All right, so I want to see amazing in the comment section. Let's go. All right, see you guys in my next video. Peace out.